Yes, welcome back again. As you all know, the channel is Hajways, and today we are going to prepare a nice recipe for a very special dish that we call chapatis. Some of you might know it already and might have tasted some, but I'm going to take you through journey of how to make um, some very nice, soft, and tender chapatis. So we're going to make two types. Okay, there's one we're going to make with white flour, and then we're going to use another one for brown flour. And for the ingredients, it's very simple. It's very basic. So we have wheat flour. Okay, so this is the white wheat flour. We'll have some salt that we're going to add to taste, and some water. So for this recipe, I'm going to use the measurements. I'm going to use that bowl. So I'm going to make 2 to 3 bowls here of the white one, and maybe a couple of the brown ones, which I'm going to make separately anyways. Okay, so to do it, first of all, we have to knead the dough with the water and the salt. So another bowl, and that one. Then we'll add salt. This one I'm going to use 1 spoonful, one and a half. Okay, and that should be enough. So this is warm water. Okay, I've warmed it up before we started with the process. How I get by with this. This is about 1 pint. We seem to be doing pretty well with that amount of water. So, well, the quality of the flour as well is important. Okay, so this is strong white for bread. Yeah, so this is going well. So once this is kneaded, before finishing it, we can apply some oil, and any vegetable oil out there, or sunflower oil as well could work. In this case, I'm going to use some sunflower. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to use about 4 spoonfuls. I'm going to make sure now that it mixes well. So that is the texture that I was looking for. I'll give it, as I said, about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll start working on it on the next stage. In the meantime, I'm going to start preparing the dough for the brown dough, for the brown chapatis. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to be using the same. For the brown ones, the best I've found out there is a strong brown, also for bread. Okay, so for this one, 1 of salt, 1 teaspoon. Well, I think a pint of water should be more than enough. That's perfect. Easy to knead. The brown flour, on the side, very easy to prepare. So for this one, because it's a smaller size of dough, I'm going to do 2 spoonfuls and a half. Next stage, we're going to add some oil. Okay, and ready. So we're going to allow it to rest as well. So it's been more than 15. It's about 20 minutes since. The bigger sizes you cut, the thicker your chapatis are going to be. And for me, when they're too thick, they don't cook very well. So I'm going to use like medium size. Okay, that one. And I'm going to spread them around here. And the process will be the same with the brown ones. A bit more. So this is what we have. So we have them here. Okay. So you put them in that shape, and then it's going to be easier for us to roll them. So our brown dough looks done as well. It's been about 20 minutes as well. There we go. So there you go. We've prepared all the ones that we wanted now, so we're going to head to the next stage. So I'll start with the white ones, and you'll see what we're going to do now. So this will be the last crucial stage before we start the last stage of cooking the chapatis. So we're going to roll them into a more or less round shape. Okay, then you'll understand when they start cooking why we do this stage, because they have to cook in properly from the inside and the outside. So we're going to apply some little oil. You can use a spoon, you can use a brush, yes. Then you can open it up there like that, roll them. There are different techniques as well for this stage that people use, but I like doing them one by one. It gives me better results. Okay, so we go like that, like that, and then finally we're going to stretch this one to close this upper area. Okay, so we'll close it completely like that, and then press it up there, and that one is ready. Okay. So we put a little bit of flour on the table so that the wheat dough does not stick. All right, that size is fine. Little bit of oil, well spread. Again, we cut there and then flip. And that bit goes in there. Close it tight. Good. Hope you are enjoying your time with me, and as I always say, if it is your first time here with us, please do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, please. So nicely stretch it. Though it looks very thin, but there are two layers here, okay, because we used the oil, remember, to roll them up, and that will ensure, as I say, that they cook properly on the inside as well. Okay, so there it goes. So now we can flip it, and then apply some little oil, not too much. It's gonna be on both sides. And you can see already it's like bubbling, okay, because of when we rolled it with the oil in between, so it creates like it's sort of a bag of air, okay. It's gonna allow it to cook. So flip again, don't keep it too much so it does not burn. Make sure that the flame is not too high. All right, so medium flame is the best. That is superb. All right, see, soft and tender. If you just joined us on the channel, please do not forget to subscribe. And the name of the channel is Hajways. So this one is good. There we go. Oops. So this is it. Nicely done. Brown and very soft. Yeah. So that's how it's cooking. Just about there. Okay, that is fine. So flip it to the other side. Give it a couple of minutes as well, and it should be okay. Okay, so that's ready now. Okay, so we're going to finish the brown ones, and then we'll be ready to serve our dinner. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed and have learned something on how to cook chapatis, and hope you're going to try to make some at home and enjoy them. Drop me a comment and let me know if you have any questions, or if you made yours, how you fared. So do not forget to subscribe again, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Again, the flame should not be the highest, just medium to high. Okay, give it a minute or so. Oil, and then flip it, and then oil again, and you're done. So that's how it's coming now. Yeah, so a little bit more, and you can see the bubbles. Yeah, it's bubbling. It's opening up. It's blowing up in the middle. So that other one is done as well. So there, and last, it's good enough. See, that side is done. So thank you for accompanying me as usual. The name of the channel is Hajways, and I encourage you to come back, watch the videos, like the videos, share them, and most of all subscribe, so that you form part of this growing community that we are trying to have. We're trying to make here, uh, and be able to, so I can be able to share more content with you. Thank you.